Welcome back. By the way, today we have got an update on Google Chrome. This time you can move your tabs on the left, on the right, vertically by right-clicking here, and you say show tabs vertically. It's new. Get it from me. So the moment you click on that, your tabs will go vertical, and it becomes easy for you to access by even enlarging this, and you read all the tabs, or you can toggle using these buttons, searching one by one in case you're someone like me who opens a lot of tabs. So you can search one by one as you open, not closing all your tabs at a go. Otherwise, I wanted to show you what Sabtech Online has brought for you. So the moment you click menu, as always, we have courses, we have exams, practice. So let's drop into the exam practice. Right now we have loaded over 2,985 questions for you to try out. Going to PMP, this time it is intuitive. You set your date of practice, the date when you're going to do the paper. So if I set this maybe 8th of August, when you come at the bottom, it will always show you the countdown, 16 days to go. And on top of that, what this brings to us is the interactivity on this interface, that I'll clear all. You can select a topic or a concept of your choice that you want to practice on. Let's say if I want to practice on governance, then I will check out governance, collapse that, choose the questions you want to do, choose the number of minutes you want to do those questions. Let's say if I want 4 questions in 5 minutes, then I'll go ahead and choose also the starting difficulty, whether beginner, intermediate, or expert. Let me go with intermediate. Then you can choose to look at the explanations instantly. Then go ahead and practice. You start your practice, and these questions will start popping up. You go ahead and answer. The moment you click on the answer, it shows you no, this was the correct one, this is wrong, and even explains all the other options, why they are wrong, why they're incorrect, and why this one is the correct one. So you go ahead and practice, and at the end of the day, you have the score with you. Like this is 0%. Here we go. And it tells you, by the way, I've only done 4 questions out of 50 questions in that selection you did. But you can always go ahead and get a premium plan where you'll access all the exam simulations we have. So just do those to support our subscriptions and all that. Otherwise, meet you next time. Bye.